everyone, this is Larry with Today I Feel Like. I have been using iPads for a while. I have the iPad mini 6th generation, I have an iPad 11 Pro, an iPad 12.9 inch Pro. I've had a number of other iPads. I like iPads, and I like the Apple Pencil that goes along with it. But if you buy an iPad and you don't want to spend $129 on an Apple Pencil, here is an alternative that's only going to run you about $19 on Amazon. So let's go ahead, unbox it, and then we're going to see if we can pair it up with my iPad mini and test it out and see if it works the way we expect it to. So here we go. All right, here is the stylus pen right here, and let's just take a quick look. There's not much to see around the box, but it does say on the back, it says accurate writing, long battery life, writing smoothly, and super long standby. It says up to 1 year, so that's pretty impressive there. So on here is just an Amazon barcode, so I'll leave a link to it down in the video description so you can check it out. But let's go ahead and get this out right quick. And we can see we're going to get a user's manual, so that's very nice. This says it is a version 2, so it says please read this instruction completely and keep it properly. So there you go. You have your instructions showing you how to make it work and how to charge it and all that good stuff and what the prompt lights actually mean. So now there's a thing that says precautions for use, so you can read that when you're ready. We also get inside a USB-A to USB-C cable, because this is not going to charge wirelessly like the Apple Pencil. It's going to charge actually by plugging it in. So now here is the stylus right here, and it does connect magnetically, but it just doesn't charge magnetically. So we're also going to get some replacement tips for the pencil, the stylus here, so we can see those right there. And we're also going to get a replacement cover for the charging port. So this is going to be the charging port right there. That's going to plug into USB-C so that you can get this thing fully charged up and topped off as you need it. So yeah, there we go. And let's see, I don't know if you tap it if it does anything, but let's set that off to the side. Let's grab my iPad. This is the iPad mini 6th, and I have my Apple Pencil on there. And I'm going to go ahead and take my Apple Pencil off, so we'll just set that off to the side. But we can see they look very, very similar. They're almost identical, and look. You know, we can see there that it has the tip on there. They're the same length, same width, all that stuff. They're about the same as far as roundedness. They have the flat edge on the side because you can put the pencil right there, the stylus pen right there, and it magnetically attaches to your iPad, even though it does not connect and start charging via the magnet. So, all right, let's go ahead and let's go ahead into our Bluetooth settings here so that we can see if this thing is going to go, so we can actually get this charged up. And I'm not sure, there's supposed to be some lights there. There we go. We can see the lights. You may see those lights on there now that are lit up. But we'll wait a second and see if the pencil is going to show up in here, or stylus is going to show up, so that we can get this thing paired up and start using it. Now, if it takes a few minutes, just be a little patient. Sometimes it takes a minute for all the Bluetooth devices around to cycle through. So, all right, here it is. We can see it says pencil, so let's go ahead and tap that, and we'll see if this thing gets paired up. And it's asking me, it says Bluetooth pairing request, so we'll say pair, and there it is. It is connected. All right, let's swipe up from here. Let's see if that connected it, and let's go ahead. We'll go here. This is an app that I have for note taking, and we'll see if we can see if the pencil is going to connect. And it says it's connected, but it's not working just yet. So let's see, let's tap that right there. It doesn't give us any real options. Now, mind you, I did not read the instructions. I'm just going, free willy style with this thing. So we'll see if it works. Let's see if we can start. Let's do a quick note here, and we'll see if this is going to write. And it's not. Very odd. So, all right, well, let me see this. Let me do this. I may have to go read the instructions for a quick moment and see if I can get this thing figured out and worked out, and then we'll come back and see if it actually functioned the way it should. All right, so here we go. It looks like we have it working. I just went in and turned the Bluetooth off and then turned it back on, and it seemed to work just fine here. So, all right, let's go ahead and take a quick look so we can draw there. As we can see that, let's see if we can make this actually a little bit. Let's see if we can make this bigger here. We'll grab that and let's see if we can draw a circle right there. And let's see if we can do this and make this even bigger, and we'll grab that there and we will make a happy face, give this person some little arms, some little legs, and we'll just grab some squiggly marks over there and there. And you can change all kinds of stuff on there if you want, and you can see that you can draw on here and make things nice. So yeah, that's it. And now there are some differences on here with the versus the Apple Pencil. So with the Apple Pencil, if you were to tap the pencil, you would be able to switch from the pen or pencil part to an eraser. But this is not going to, it doesn't seem like this is going to allow you to do that here. So you're going to have to go in and actually just tap the eraser and erase what you want to erase on here, just manually there. So, and when you're done, you can go back, click on there, and then you can go back to whatever it is that you want to do. So yeah, and then when you want to attach it here, you just simply attach it and it works. Now that's fantastic. It says it has like a year standby time on there. Now how much use you get out of it will depend on how much you actually use it, because if you use the pencil or the pens, yeah, I guess they're calling it the pencil, if you're using it all day every day, then, you know, of course the battery is not going to last quite as long, but you just plug it in through the USB-C charger and plug it in and charge it up. It only takes a few minutes to get it charged up and you're good to go. So yeah, I have to say, as far as an alternative, it may not be as fully functional as the Apple Pencil, but for $20 or $19, I have to say, this thing is worth it. All right, well, there you have it. That is it. That is a look at the DG Store Apple Pencil replacement or stylus pen. And this thing is fantastic. It looks like the Apple Pencil. It functions much the same as the Apple Pencil. Now, the pairing process is a little bit different. Some of the functionality is not there, but overall, if you're looking for something that's going to do most of what the Apple Pencil is going to do, and you don't want to pay that $130 that Apple charges for the Apple Pencil, this is, I think, for most people, a very viable option that's going to cost you less than 20 bucks. Right now on Amazon at the time of this filming, it's like $23.99 with a $5 off coupon, which drops it down to about, you know, $18.99 or something like that, just below $19. So yeah, this is a pretty great deal. So anyways, there you go. I'm going to leave a link to it down below in the video description so that you can check it out. I'm also going to leave links to my Amazon page and my social media contacts so you can reach me elsewhere. And I hope you enjoyed seeing this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe to this channel and follow me on Instagram. And I am Larry with Today I Feel Like. Thanks for coming back to see me. Come back and see me soon. And until next time, love, peace, and hair grease. Peace.